horse talk lately?
Like one person. What colors put you making?
Green.
Huh?
Green.
I guess there's
Like ivy. I don't know.
go brown.
Oh, this seems like a good fishing spot. No?
God.
What the-
This is like, it's like a couple.
Yeah.
Fill up that.
Go.
What are those things?
What? The tall one? I'm not sure. It looks like a sunflower or something. Wait. The squirrel's trying to kill us.
I'll write that on your tombstone.
Death by squirrel.
No, I tried to take the risky path. This guy's on a trail.
I'm in my.
I shouldn't be outdoors.
It's falling. See? I'm in my adventurous era.
See, 40s are.
You're not wrong. Okay. Is that tree falling? Or is that like an animal in there? We could go back up it, but I don't think I'd want to come down it. Oh, I bet people do it on their bikes. Yeah.
Daddy, this is a regional bike. What? I'm not a professional biker.
Okay, well, he didn't go on the side where we were at with all the logs. To be fair.
I mean, even with the sketchy bridge, I didn't even feel comfortable walking on.
Tick trail to the left.
Huh?
Tick trail to the left.
They're so flat because they can't get any sun. They're just like, please. How do they even...
Huh? Are we gonna find the tree top trekking? And the zip line?
We should do that. We should go on zip line.
Oh no, it's the twin. But maybe that'll be a garbage can. I smell barbecue. Oh, picnic area. Okay, remember where this path is, and now we go right. Oh, I got my wallet too. Okay, show a picture of us with the food truck instead of the daddy.
How's fishing going?
Yeah. This way, come on. We gotta go try and find Daddy. These trails are not the best. Okay, so E13, yay. Attention, watch out for coyotes. Perfect. Okay, Dexter, you got that? Watch out for coyotes. Oh. This is a huge trail.
I think we're on
No, come on. You gotta go find Daddy. He went the other way. Now can we put it on the chest? I just kind of want to see how it looks with you. Also. Daddy's gonna...
You have a map.
I'm the map.
We need to call
I'm the
back,
map.
back, back.
Back.
We need the map.
You got the map. Oh, you should go as Dora. Dexter could go as Swiper. Swiper, no swiping. These are great trails. Reminds me of limestone, but it's not far. Okay, we're going. Come on, you can do it. Too scary.
Dexter's a little
Who needs
scared. I
a
think
treat?
Dexter's a
Who wants
whip.
a treat? Who wants a treat?
Dexter's a whip.
Good boy, let's go. Oh, we're gonna run. We're trail running.